Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features me attempting to give myself yet another haircut. I know a lot of you are interested in knowing how it's done, so here I am showcasing how I do it. Now, I'm definitely not a hair model and you'll see all of the mistakes that I made, because in the end, cutting your own hair is hard and it's definitely not recommended. Anyway, the final shot of this video I saved for last, so please make sure that you watch it all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin. The first step is to make the guideline. My haircut starts with the number 1 guard with the blade closed. For the remainder of this blend, I'll be using the 50 cal mag by Caliber. My haircut usually starts with a 6 guard and the machine's blade all the way closed. That's what I use to establish the top. And curly hair is funny, so you want to make sure that you cut it from all different angles. You're going to have to go sideways, upways, downways, left, right, backwards, forwards, just to make sure that you get it all even. Attach a 5 guard and fully extend the blade. You're going to move your clipper straight up with this guard. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. From here on out, you're going to keep the same angle with every guard you use. And with each guard, try to keep it flat against the side of the head. This way, you keep the same angle, and you don't have to use any mirrors. Attach a 4 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach a 3 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach a 2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach the number 1 guard again, but this time fully extend the blade. Pass through the section and focus on the demarcation. Now close the blade midway to finish the blend. My next step is my attempt to create a lineup on my own without the use of mirrors. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. And as you can see, not using the mirror didn't last very long. Now, depending on whether you're lefty or righty, one of the sides is going to be harder to work with than the other. So just be mindful of that. In this case, this is the hardest side for me to work with. I actually had to remove my mask just to be able to line myself up properly, all because I'm a righty. The back of my hair grows in all different directions, so it's always better for me to just fade out the back. I begin with the clippers blade fully extended, and each time I pass through that particular section, I close the blade further and further until it's completely blended out. Watch closely. On this side, I'm going to try to do the same thing. If you're trying to blend out the back of your hair, the hardest part may be the center of the bottom of the neck, right there where I'm cutting right now. It's like a blind spot or something. It's just very difficult to do. But with practice, you'll get it. Watch closely and try to do the same thing. Alright guys, if your self haircut looks better than mine, you've done pretty well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. The pieces of equipment used for this video have all been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.